Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another episode of EasySpeak English podcast. Today, I want to share with you one of the most effective and practical techniques to improve your English speaking and overall fluency. This method is simple, it is realistic, and the most important part is this: you can do it completely on your own. You do not need a speaking partner. You do not need a native speaker. You do not need a teacher sitting next to you, correcting every sentence. Many English learners believe that speaking improvement is impossible without another person. They think, I cannot speak alone. They think, I need someone to listen to me. They think, I need correction all the time. But this belief is not completely true. Real fluency does not start with other people. Real fluency starts inside your mind. And today's technique is designed to train exactly that inner process. So, this technique is called the 3-2-1 speaking method. Some learners also know it as the 5-3-2 technique. The name is not important. The idea behind it is what really matters. This method is based on repetition, but not boring repetition. Not repeating the same sentence again and again without thinking. This is smart repetition. Let me explain how it works, step by step, in a very clear and simple way. First, you choose one small and simple topic. Do not choose something big or complex. Do not choose politics, philosophy, or difficult abstract ideas. Choose an everyday topic. For example, what you did yesterday, your favorite place, why you are learning English, your morning routine, a movie you watched recently. Yeah, just one topic. You can also prepare your topic by listening to a short podcast, or you can read one short page from a book or an article. The source is not important. The topic is what matters. Now comes the main part of the technique. You will speak about the same topic 3 times, but each time you will have less time. This time pressure is the secret of the method. In the first round, you speak for 3 minutes. 3 minutes is not short. It gives your brain space. It gives you time to think. It allows mistakes. During these 3 minutes, speak freely. Speak slowly. Pause when you need to pause. Do not stop yourself. Do not judge yourself. And most importantly, do not correct every mistake. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are signs that your brain is working. Just speak. When the 3 minutes are finished, stop. Take a deep breath. Now, you start the second round. This time, you speak about the same topic, with the same ideas, but now you only have 2 minutes. Nothing changes accept time. And something interesting happens here, because you already talked about the topic once. Your brain remembers the structure. It remembers the main ideas. So now, your brain starts to remove unnecessary words. You hesitate less. You choose better expressions. Your speech becomes more direct, more focused, and more fluent. Now we move to the final round. You speak again about the same topic, but this time you only have 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute forces your brain to be efficient. Efficiency means saying the same meaning with fewer words and less effort. Your brain stops panicking. Your mouth starts moving automatically. And this is exactly what fluency means. If 3 minutes feels too short for you, you can use the 5-3-2 version. In this version, first round, 5 minutes. Second round, 3 minutes. Final round, 2 minutes. The order is always the same, longer to shorter. Same topic, same meaning. So why does this technique work so well? Because your brain learns through retrieval. Retrieval means pulling information out of your memory, not just pushing information in. Every time you repeat the same idea, your brain says, "Oh, I know this." And each time it becomes faster, smoother, and calmer. This technique also reduces speaking anxiety. Anxiety means fear or nervousness. Why does anxiety disappear? Because there are no surprises. You already know what you are going to say. You are not inventing new ideas. You are refining old ones. And confidence grows through repetition. Here is one very important rule. Do not write your speech. Do not read sentences. Speaking must be spoken, not read. You can write a few keywords if you want, just small reminders, but your eyes should not be on paper. Another important rule is this. Do not change the topic between rounds. The power of this technique is repetition. Same topic, same meaning, less time. And one last thing you must remember. Do not judge yourself. Good mistakes mean progress. Silence means nothing is happening. This method trains automatic speaking. Automatic speaking means your mouth works without your brain freezing. If you practice this technique for just 10 minutes a day, your fluency will change. Not in 1 day, not in 2 days, but after a few weeks, you will feel something different. You will speak with less effort. You will hesitate less, and you will feel more confident. So today, I want you to try this. Choose one topic, set a timer, speak. No partner, no pressure, just you and your voice. So, thank you so much for listening to another episode of EasySpeak English Podcast. I'm John, and until next time, keep keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Tomorrow at 7 p.m., be sure to join us again.